Alright, Assalamualaikum anak-anak Form 1. So, hari ni teacher nak recap balik apa yang teacher dah ajar pagi tadi. Okay, so today I will recap everything what I have taught you guys this morning. Okay, so our topic today is cell structure and function. Okay, so kita punya discussion hari ini berkisarkan pasal cell. Okay, so what is cell? Okay, cell is basic unit of living things. Okay, so tadi kan teacher suruh awak senaraikan kan, apa living things. Okay, so kita list down tadi. We have human, okay, which is animal. Okay, when we have plants, and we have microorganism. Okay, and then ini yang paling popular lah. Okay, so these are the examples of the living things, and all of these living things are made of cell. Asas binaan untuk living things is cell. Okay, so cell, okay, yang dalam you punya chapter, you belajar cell ada dua jenis lah you belajar. Okay, satu kita belajar plant cell and animal cell. Kan saya cakap tadi, kalau tak kenal, tak cinta. Jadi, kita kena kenal lah the cell that which is a very powerful things. Okay, a powerful things in our body. Kan, remember saya cakap tadi, very powerful because everything, okay, the cell can control. Many processes happen in the cell. Okay, so first, you have to draw. Okay, hari ni kita punya topik adalah cell structure and function. So, awak kena dapatkan structure dengan function. Okay, we draw the animal cell. So, the animal cell consists, the outermost layer consists of cell membrane. Okay, cell membrane. Kena eja balik sini. Membrane. Okay, cell membrane. Okay, and the function of cell membrane is to control the movement of substances in and out of cell. Okay, in and out of cell. Itu fungsi cell membrane. Same goes with the plant cell. Plant cell also has cell membrane. Okay, so saya pakai warna merah lah. Ni cell membrane and this also cell membrane. Kita pakai abbreviation. Abbreviation tu singkatan. CM stand for cell membrane. Okay, alright, cell membrane after that, okay, masuk dalam sikit. Okay, so yang ini dan yang ini adalah cytoplasm. Okay, kita ambil ciri sepunya dulu. Apa yang ada pada plant cell and apa juga ada pada animal cell. So, cytoplasm, the function is site ataupun site for chemical reaction. Okay, so many chemical reactions happen in the cytoplasm. Okay, and then after that, we learned about nucleus. Okay, so katalah nukleus ada kat sini. Okay, so these two are nucleus. Okay, so these are the shared characteristic between plant and animal cell. Okay, so nucleus, as I mentioned earlier, contain genetic materials. Okay, ataupun kita panggil dia DNA. Okay, so since it contain all the genetic material, it can control, sebab dia ada maklumat, it can control activity of cell. It can control activity of cell. Okay, so these are the three shared characteristic between the plant and animal cell. Okay, ada lagi satu yang kita belajar juga, mitochondria. Okay, so kita pakai warna merah lah. Okay, so saya lukis kat sini. Sekejap, padam sikit. Okay, mitochondria. So mitochondria ni bentuk dia macam sausage sikit. Okay, so this mitochondrion, sebab dia satu, kan saya cakap tadi kan, kalau dia singular, mitochondrion. Okay, so mitochondrion, the function is to release energy. To release energy. Okay, because proses apa yang berlaku kat dalam mitochondrion, you have to remember it is respiration process, and respiration process memerlukan, okay, respiration process requires oxygen and glucose. So that's why bila kita makan carbohydrate, okay, glucose is example of carbohydrate. That is why we said carbohydrate provide energy. So oxygen we got from the environment, okay, the oxygen we got from the air, okay, goes into our lungs, and then from the lungs dia akan transported by your blood, and then will be carried, akan dibawa ke, okay, bawa oleh darah, bawa ke sel. Dalam sel ada mitochondria. Mitochondria ambil oksigen, ambil glukos dari makanan yang awak makan. Okay, a reaction happen and release energy. Itu respiration. Alright. So sekarang awak dah belajar ciri sepunya. Okay, the similarities between plant and animal cell. Okay, now kita nak tengok pula apa yang extra yang ada pada plant cell but not in the animal cell. Okay, so one of it is vacuole. Okay, kita lukis vacuole besar sikit. Okay, so this is vacuole. Alright, the vacuole has two functions as I mentioned earlier. The first one is to store starch. Okay, second, to give turgidity. Okay, to give turgidity. Turgidity ni bagi kesegahan. Yang saya cerita tadi, kalau you beli sayur, awal-awal pagi sayur tu segar. Okay, after a while, okay, dah petang sikit, kalau you tak simpan sayur tu elok-elok ataupun tak masak, nanti sayur tu layu. Because as you mentioned earlier, the sayur has no water, tak ada water. So water penting sebab water akan masuk dalam vacuole ni, so it give turgidity because the vacuole will expand and push, dia akan tolak, okay, dia akan expand and push the cell membrane ni. So dia akan mengembang macam balon kalau dia mengembang, macam itulah. Okay, so there are two functions of vacuole. Okay, the next one tambahan dalam dalam plant cell is cell wall. Cell wall. Okay, cell wall of the plant cell, the function is to give shape. To give shape for the plant cell. And last one, cell wall ni senang sangat lah. And paling penting sekali dalam plant cell ada banyak chloroplast. What is inside chloroplast that give color to the chloroplast? It is chlorophyll. Okay, so green ni kita panggil chloroplast. Inside chloroplast, it has chlorophyll. Okay, the function is chlorophyll to absorb sunlight energy so that chloroplast can do photosynthesis. Again, I repeat, chloroplast, inside the chloroplast, it has chlorophyll. Chlorophyll tu yang bagi color kepada chloroplast. So chloroplast nampak dia warna hijau. Okay, so chlorophyll function is, okay, chlorophyll inside the chloroplast function is to absorb sunlight energy so that the plant can do photosynthesis. And then when I ask you what is the importance of photosynthesis, most of you can answer it that photosynthesis is essential, is penting untuk plant so that plant can make their own food. Okay, so these are the things that we learn today. Okay, so I hope some of you ada masa untuk tengok video dan belajar. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.